In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically transcribe audio to text with 2 or more languages using ElevenLabs Scribe. This is a super useful workflow if you work with interviews, podcasts, lectures, voice notes, or any recording where people switch between languages. Instead of manually cleaning everything up, Scribe can detect multiple languages for you and turn your audio into accurate text much faster. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your browser and go to your ElevenLabs Workspace dashboard. Once you're in Ease, look for the speech-to-text tool and open it. This is where the transcription workflow begins, and it's the main area you'll use to upload and process your files. Now click on Transcribe Files. From here, you can drag and drop your audio or video file directly into the uploader. ElevenLabs supports common formats like MP3, WAV, M4A, FLAC, OGG, and also major video files, so you don't need to waste time converting your file first. Another big advantage is that it can handle very large uploads, which is helpful for long recordings, full meetings, and extended content. Once your file is uploaded, the next important step is the language setting. Find the language selector drop down and change it to Detect Automatically. This is the key setting for transcribing audio with 2 or more languages because it tells Scribe to identify language changes as they happen instead of forcing everything into one language. That means if someone speaks English and then switches to Spanish, French, or another supported language, the model can keep up much more naturally. After that, take a look at the additional context features. If your recording has more than one person speaking, turn on speaker identification and set the maximum number of speakers as accurately as you can. This helps the model separate voices and makes the transcript easier to read. If your audio includes things like laughter, clapping, or background noise that you want included in the transcript context, enable audio event tagging. This can make the final output more useful, especially for content creators and editors who want a fuller picture of what happened in the recording. You should also use the Keyterms field if your audio contains special names, brands, acronyms, product terms, or technical words. You can add up to 100 keyterms, and that gives the AI a better chance of spelling those words correctly, especially when the audio includes accents or multiple languages. Once everything looks good, click Transcribe. Scribe will process the file in parallel, which helps speed up longer transcriptions and makes the workflow much more efficient. After it finishes, you'll see the transcript alongside the timestamped audio, so you can review everything carefully and make quick edits if needed. From there, you can download the transcript in a variety of formats, including TXT, PDF, DOCX, SRT, or VTT. That makes it easy to use your transcript for subtitles, content repurposing, editing, or documentation. And that's it. That's how to automatically transcribe audio to text with 2 or more languages using ElevenLabs Scribe. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I've got more simple tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.